Want to refresh your iPhone's look by changing app icons? First, on your home screen, press and hold any empty area until the icons jiggle. Tap Edit at the top left, then choose Customize. You're now in the Icons and Layout settings. Here you'll find an icon in the bottom right to adjust icon size. Tap that to make every icon noticeably larger. Below you will find 4 options: Default, Dark, Clear and Tinted. Tap Dark to set the icons and widgets to a dark appearance. Tap Clear to remove the color from app icons and widgets, making them transparent or semi-transparent, depending on whether you're in light or dark mode. If you want to apply a specific color to all your app icons, tap Tinted. Then, select your color by adjusting the slider. When you're happy with the size and tint, tap anywhere outside the panel or press Done to lock in your changes. Your home screen will immediately reflect the new layout and color treatment. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite home screen theme in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iPhone customization tips.